Hi everyone, today I'm gonna share with you how to track Calendly forms booking for Meta Information API with user informations. If you want to track for Google Analytics 4, this time you don't need to send any user informations. But if you want to track the Meta Conversions API like Facebook Pixel, this time you need to send user informations, because if you want to optimize your ads, if you want to increase your ad performance, this time you need to send user informations. When you send user informations, this time your ad performance and your ad match quality, your even coverage will be very good. And when Facebook or Meta understand you send every parameters, this time your ad performance will be very well. That's why this is very important. Now, which type of platform do we need to track this Calendly forms tracking? So first need Calendly platforms. Second need your website. It will be any website where you will embed it your Calendly forms. Second, Meta Business Manager. Fourth, Meta Business Manager. Fourth, need your Google Tag Manager. And if you want to track the conversion API, then you need on server. It will be Step.io, Tracker, Google Cloud, and any. But I am using Step.io. Okay, let's start. So first of all, we need to connect Google Tag Manager on our website. I already use WordPress store, so I want to connect Google Tag Manager with our WordPress store. So how can connect? So you can see this my Google Tag Manager screen, and you can see this Google Tag Manager code. Click on code and copy this code, and here on instructions paste this code as a high in the header sections of the as possible. So go to my website backend, and I am using a plugin. This plugin names here. Okay, here go to plugins. Yeah, I already added this Google Tag Manager. Okay. Here not available. Where I am added this commerce. Oh, so you can use another way. So hover over the appearance, then click on theme file editor. If you understand any code, the steps you use, follow this instructions. So then click on header.php. Where this header.php, and paste this code here. I already paste this code. Okay, you can see this. Yeah, our Google Tag Manager ID, this one. Yeah, Google Tag Manager already connected with our website. Then we need to enable the DataLayer. And how to enable DataLayer? I will use to enable DataLayer on JavaScript code. This code already made this code Abdul Hamid Al Abbasi. I use this code. Okay, then I am using this code. I already create on tags, and this is my tags, and this is our code. Okay, then I need to replace this here. Here need our Calendly token. So how can I found this Calendly token? So first of all, go to Calendly and click on integrations and apps. Then you found on apps this API and webhook, this one, and create personal access token. So click on get a token now and click on continue. So here you will need a name, then input this name and click on create token. And you need a verifications code, and go to my Gmail, and yeah, I already found this code, verification code here. No, just 1 second. Yeah, yes. Copy this and go to Google Tag Manager. Calendly, and paste this code and click on, and you can see this your access token. So copy this token and go to tag manager. You need this, paste this code here. Okay, as well as you can use any variables. I am using a variable. Okay, so click on variables, yeah, and then create new variables. I already created one variables Calendly token, so click on here and replace this code. Okay, my previous code I will remove and paste new code. Click on save, and this name is Calendly token. So again go to tags and select custom HTML Calendly DataLayer and replace here. I will remove this text and add this Calendly token variables. Okay, now our tag is done, so click on save. Yeah, this sticker will be all pasted. Okay, when I preview this data layer, when I check this data layer is working or not, this times I can found look like this data layer. Okay, yeah, when you complete your form submissions. Now our data layer is completed. If you want to need this data layer, just go to my LinkedIn profile and LinkedIn profile and send a message. I will send my LinkedIn profile in my video descriptions. You can check this descriptions. Okay, and this is my profile, and you connect with me and send a message, direct message. Just write down here Calendly tracking or only Calendly. You can send a message. I will send this code URL. Okay, so that's good. Now I need to create tracks to send on events like PageView events and Calendly booking events on Meta Event Manager, and this is our event manager. Okay, so I will use this picture. Okay, so go to Google Tag Manager and create a new tag to send create on events like PageView events. So click on tag configuration. Our tag type will be Facebook pixels, so here not available. Click on this community template gallery and search here. Just 1 second. Yeah, search here Facebook pixel, this one. Yeah, Facebook. Okay, yeah, add to WordPress. I will add it. You can click on add it. So yeah, this one, and input your pixel ID like this, your dataset ID. How can find this ID? Go to Meta Event Manager and click on settings, and you can see this one, your pixel ID. Okay, you can use this. Okay, click on this pixel like dataset ID, then go to Google Tag Manager and paste this code as well. But I already create one container, this constant container to add this Meta pixel ID. This is our one. This one I will check this, it is working or not. Yeah, same. So I will use this dataset ID, and our standard event will be PageView. First of all, I will enable PageView, and object properties, no need object properties here. I need more settings. I need on event ID, because when I tagged Meta conversion API, that times I need to deduplicate. That's why I will send this one. So input event ID, and as well as I send one event advanced matching like customer information, like event like this external ID. Okay, this is very important, external ID, and our tag and trigger will be all page, and our tag name will be browser side first of all, and page view. Okay, then click on save. Then our page view event will get done. Now I will create one track for our Calendly events. Okay, so actually it is totally different one. This is the data layer. Okay, so go to tag manager and click on new, and again tag configurations, click on our tag type will be Facebook pixel, and here I add my pixel ID, data set ID. Yeah, and you can use any standard event, any event like schedule, lead, and you can use this, but I always recommend it you always use a standard event, but right now I will use custom event. Okay, Calendly book. Okay, this event. Okay, now I sent event match, enable advanced matching to send user information. So click on here, customer information, data parameters, and add parameters like this. First of all, I will add email, then phone number, then which one available for on my forms. Okay, and this is my Calendly forms. Just wait. Yeah, select times, and this one first name, last name, email, and phone number available my forms, and I will send this type of parameters: email, phone number, first name, then last name, and external ID. Okay, email, I already created variables that you can see on this very detail there. Okay, email, first name, last name, and this phone number here, and phone number, phone, then add last name, last name, external ID. Okay, sorry. That's good. Now I send more, click on more settings to send event ID for deduplicate, and our ticker will be Calendly booked, because I use this data layer. Okay, this event's name Calendly booked. I already added this book, so I am using this one. Then our tag name will be the browser side Calendly the book. Okay, then click on save. Yeah, then our browser side totally done. Now I want to check our events working or not. So first of all go to your event manager and click on test event, and again go to website and click on PageView. Okay, and yeah, go to our website. Yeah, our tag manager already connected. Now I will go our form phrase, book now for 30 minutes for few consultations. Yeah, okay, I will select my time and input user information. Click on schedule event. First of all, our PageView event fire and Calendly book fire. Okay, event ID 867. So go to meta event manager, and yeah, awesome. Yeah, and right now you can say, hey, our meta pixel like browser side, it is working very well, but why? I will set up server side like conversion API, because right now you know about 30% user use AdBlocker like Safari browser, Brave browser, Mozilla Firefox, and 40.5 updated device like iPhone Max look like this device. You already collect only 30% data. So how to improve your ad performance, how to make decisions. So That's why you need to track the conversions API like server-side tracking, and it is very important first-party tracking. So let's start to track conversion API. So right now you need to create server container. I already create server container. This is my server container. Okay, and how can I understand this is our server container? When you see this here client option, this time you can understand this is your server container. As well as go to admin and click on container settings, and this is your server. Target platform, it will be server. Okay, I hope you understand. So right now you need to connect with your server. So I will use step.io server. Oh, this one available. Yeah, when you go to step.io, this times you need to create one account. You add your Gmail and password. This times you what's this look like this interface, and when you scroll down, this times you found one create SGTM container, not create signals gateway. You create SGTM container like server Google Tag Manager container. Click on here, and you need to add name. I will add this name, and you need to container configurations here. So how can find this? Go to Google Tag Manager server container and click on Google Tag Manager code, and you can find two options. You select here manual provisions tagging server and copy this this ID and go to your step.io server and paste this code and select your server locations. I will select this US center locations, and you use your locations. Okay, your server locations. Then click on create container. When you click after create this container, oh yeah, just on I will use right now free, and click on continue. Yeah, this is your verify. Right now you can see this verify. When you use this URL like step.io send on default URL, this is your step.io URL, like it is your server URL, but I always recommended you create a custom domain. How can I create custom domain? Click on add custom domain and input your anything, like it will be subdomain sst dot like this. Go to my website, and this is your this is my main domain. Sorry, so copy this and go to step and paste this, but this is your main domain. You always input here your main domain and add your subdomain. Okay, then click on add cdn, then okay, everything is okay, then click on next. Domain with the name already existing, so I already use this domain here. You can server ss only server ss. Okay, then next. Yeah, then you can see this on URL here, and it is verified. Okay, it is here verified. When you push this code on your hosting like cPanel, this time you see here on ready. You can see this screen ready options. Yeah, this make life work. Okay, then and verify will be ready. When you see this ready option, that times you can use this URL on your server here. Here, go to admin and click on container settings and click on add URL and input your server URL here. And copy this and paste this here. And when you click set up your tagging server, then your step.io will be running. Okay, but I am using only this Google step.io's default URL. Okay, then paste this and click on set up your tagging server. Oh no, click on save. Yeah, Google Tag Manager server container, and the Google Tag Manager server container already connected. Now if you want to track first party tagging, this times you need to use this URL. And if you want to push Google Tag Manager first party like this, like when you watch this one, like inspect this URL, and I already push Google Tag Manager. You can see this https and google.tagmanager.com. you can see this third party platforms. When your user use any AdBlocker, this times this code will be removed and your every tagging will be removed. That's why you need to create custom loader. So I will click custom loader, then enable custom loader and save change. Okay, and this is your subdomain. Actually this is your domain. Okay, and input your Google Tag Manager web container ID. Okay, this is our web container, right? And this is my server container. Alright, yeah, so be careful when you push this code, and copy this code and go to step.io and paste this here. And here you can choose GA4 AdBlock bypass. Okay, then here you need to choose Shopify WordPress, but it is a WordPress, but I am not choose WordPress. I will click others and click generate. Then step.io send on URL. This is my Google Tag Manager URL, right? When you copy this and like this, this is Google Tag Manager URL, and this URL, this Google Tag Manager URL have one options like this. When you see this https load.ss dev by clothing.pantheonsite.io, this is our domain, right? When you use this, and this times any user use AdBlocker, Brave browser, Safari browser, doesn't matter. This times they didn't found any Google Tag Manager code. They are found only your this URL code. So this is your domain. So this is first party, and they didn't found this Google Tag Manager code, and then they are impossible to remove this code, and then your Google Tag Manager code will be working. So copy this code same way and go to your website, and then paste this code on your header sections. I hope you understand this. Now I want to create I want to send every user information, every events like PageView events and Calendly booking forms events on our server. Okay, first of all I will send server, then the server received as a client, every data client. Yeah, GA4 client. I already this is automated created. And then when GA4 even received every data, then server Google Tag Manager sent these events on our event manager. So right now I want to tag these events, everything. So first of all I need to create Google Tag. So click on new and click on tag configurations. Our tag type will be Google Tag, and here you add a wrong measurement ID like tag ID. Okay, G underscore anything, you can use anything. Okay, anything. I already created the wrong measurement ID, this German ID, this one, and your configuration settings will be here. You added server URL. Okay, your server container URL, which one? This is your server URL, right? Yeah, this one. Click on copy this and go to Google Tag Manager web container and paste this one. And I want to create actually I don't send any PageView events here, so send page view will be false. You can send page view events, doesn't matter, but I don't send any page view events. That's because I want to get new events to send this page view event. So click on save. Yeah, okay, so we will try. It's okay. Now you can create page view events. So I already created this one. Then when I go to this one, and you can see this, our event name will be page_view. Actually it is totally depends on J4 schema, okay, because I am using J4 tags template. Okay, measurement ID, which one measurement ID? Actually it is totally wrong measurement ID. Here when I check this, because I don't send any parameters on our J4, that's why I send a wrong measurement ID. And event ID, I set event ID for deduplicate page, it is a deduplicate for, and cookie I sent it cookie, ABP cookie, it is and event time I am using on custom code to send event ID. First party it is 2, external ID I am using on custom. When if you want to send external ID, this times you use custom code. I am using custom code. And yeah, our trigger will be all page. Yeah, everything will be fine. Then click on save. Yeah, now you need to create Calendly booking forms to send server side. So click on here. I already created this one, and yeah, I choose, first of all choose measurement ID, wrong measurement ID. Then this is our event name. Okay, I already use custom event name, that's why here same way. Then same way I sent event ID for deduplicate, event names for deduplicate, ABC, and event time, first party collection, external ID look like this page view. And now I send email. When you send email information, so on your server distance, you follow this instructions: user underscore data dot email underscore address, same phone number, and first name. When you send first name, user underscore data dot address dot first underscore name. Okay, same last name. Okay, then which one is your trigger? I already used this trigger on our Calendly booking browser site. Same trigger you can use. Okay, this is this one. You can see this Calendly underscore booked. Alright, yeah, then click on save. Then our setup is done. Now I want to check our setup is working, our data sent on our server side. But right now you want to send every data on your meta event manager. Okay, then the J4 already received every data, and you need to create on tags to send two event, PageView event and Calendly book event. So click on tags and create new tag. Again click on tag configurations. Our tag type will be conversions API. If you don't found this conversion API, click on community template gallery and search here conversions API tags. I will choose this one, and you need add pixel ID. How can find out? Go to event manager and click on settings, and yeah, just try to click on here this code and go to gold diamond server container, paste this pixel ID and need API access token. How can found? Go to find event manager, scroll down, you can see here on options, here you can see generate access token. Click on generate access token, and yeah, this is our access token. Copy this one and go to gold diamond server container and paste this one here. And I need test event code. Go to meta event manager and click on test event and folder activity, and this is our server. Yeah, copy this test event ID and paste this ID here, and I will enable this extend meta pixel cookies. Okay, then our trigger will be I want to create new trigger, so click on the plus button, and trigger configurations will be take custom. Okay, select some events, and it will be event name, and here message it is X, and page view events. Which one I use? This page underscore view. Then click 5 Calendly here, Calendly underscore booked. Okay, Calendly. Which one here? Calendly booked and page view. Yeah, done. Then save one. Meta triggers. Okay, click on save. Yeah, and our tag okay, click on save, and our tag name will be conversions API tags. Okay, that's good. Now our setup is done, everything is done. Now I am to check our tracking it's working or not. So click on PageView, server container already PageView. Yeah, just 1 second. And now I want to preview our, okay, first of all I will open my test event. Okay, yeah, open it, already opened. Yeah, now go to tag manager here, and go to Google Tag Manager web container. Okay, then click on PageView. Okay, this is our website. Yeah, I'm very excited to test this event. Okay, now I'm to check our, yeah, tag instant connected. Yeah, these are our forms. I need some loading, and you can see this page helper already set page view event fire. Okay, then I want to fill up my time, then input my information, and click on schedule event. Yeah, you are scheduled. Then click on this pixel helper, and yeah, both working, and this event ID 3 to 8. Then go to tag assistant. Yeah, this calendar booked. Yeah, good, both side and server side working. Then go to our tag manager debugger, this is our server, page view and booked event already fire. Then yeah, I already sent this one. Yeah, I want to check this event's name. It's currently booked, event ID, yeah, 3 to 8. Yeah, exactly this name, and client user agent, IP address, and email. I already sent email, and this one is hashed. Then phone number, first name, then last name, FBP cookie already fired, and even test event ID already fired. Wow, now I want to check our event manager. Yeah, you can see this page view and this calendar, browser side and server side. Actually here need sometimes, then you can see it look like this interface. Okay, this okay, then yeah, this server every data available. Oh, fantastic, our setup's totally done. Now I need to publish both web container and server container, but remember, be careful when you publish this server container. This time you remove your test event code. Okay, without this remove this code, your ads, when you run your ads, this time you don't show any result, because when anyone fill up your calendar forms, this time meta ads understand maybe this is test, because you send this test events. That's why be careful when you publish this web container. This time you remove this test event ID. So click on save, then I will submit this, then publish this container, server container, then go to browser container and click on submit and publish this container. And you can write down any name descriptions, but I don't need, that's why I don't write anything. So continue, and our setup's totally done. Yeah, you can right now you can run your any ads campaign depends on these events. That's all about my video. Hey, I am web analyst and server-side tagging specialist. I help business improve ad performance with accurate conversions tracking for Meta, Google, TikTok, Pinterest and more. So stop wasting your ad budget and start scaling your business the smart way. If you have any further questions or need advice assistance, feel free to reach out to me, or you can contact with me or schedule a meeting at your convenience. I already sent my schedule meeting in this video descriptions.